This is productive. I feel so productive. I need to put some glasses on. Whoops, I moved the camera and it stopped working. Sugar. Oh no. Hello, I'm in the office today. I've already started doing a little bit, but I thought I'd bring you along with me today whilst we tidy up the office. That's a lie, actually. We're not tidying, we're decluttering the office. As you can see behind me, we have lots of shelves with lots of things on the shelves. And I mean, these books need to stay. This I've just done now. It has a ticket for Britain's Got Talent. It has a cool mug saying I'm a teacher, but I'm actually not a teacher yet. And then here is maths books, and here is lots of folders. Now this is what needs sorting out. But anyway, I thought I'd bring you with me whilst we declutter. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to see, in these folders here, I've got loads of like random bits of maths and drama that just is sort of there but not in a folder, which is slightly annoying. And also, I don't want all this to fall, but I've got all of this here as well, full of just random files and exam papers that if I put with what I just brought out then, we've got a lot to sort out. I think that's everything I can take off there so far. I've got some random bits down here. Can't show you that, but you'll know about that soon. That was when we made a family quiz, so I know I'm gonna need that. Okay. Oh, look. What's all this? We've got more. Ta-da. I don't know whether you can hear any of this. Oh, that's all my dad's. Okay. Anything else? I don't think so. Basically, we're doing this to give us something to do and to occupy ourselves. I am having some lunch made. Lucy's making me some lunch, so that's very kind of her. So that will be arriving soon, but we can eat lunch and do it at the same time. So that can just go there. This intro has been very, very long, but I'm going to change camera angles so you can see what's going on, and we're going to organise all of this. So let's do that. Let's move that. And we need, whoa, this is dangerous. Is that gonna work? I feel like this is just gonna fall over. Oh, you're still on. Okay, let me sit here. Okay, hello. Oh, got the baby. Ah, hello. I can't have that baby in the background. I'm really sorry, it's so creepy. Right, we've got all of this to sort through the shelves. A lot of this is old stuff, really. So I'm gonna, the bin's here. I'm putting everything in one bin, but we do recycle, don't worry. The paper will get separated. So this is drama. I'm going to put drama over there. That I don't need. Practice questions, I don't really need any of those. It's a bit pointless me having them. That I don't need. That I don't need. That I don't need any of that. This I think's an exam paper. Where's the start of it though? And then I think that's the paper that goes with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put important exam papers, maths on the floor there. Here we've got all of this. And I think this was kind of organised when I was in college, but I think I've just sort of put everything in here and shoved it all in one. So this is just a random exam paper. I don't need that, I'll be able to find that online. I don't need that. That's a key assessment. Oh God, I got 13 out of 35 on that one, but that one's a bit better, 54 out of 81. Oh, I got an A. A star. Oh no, I didn't. I got an A. That's an exam paper, and that's an exam paper. So that's maths, and that's maths as well. Another exam paper. That's just an answer booklet, don't need that. Oh, mixed exercise book. Okay, we'll keep that. That's maths, so it can go there, but it's not an exam paper. I've got a nice system going on here. You can't see. Whoops, I moved the camera and it stopped working. Sugar. Oh no. Hello? You're okay. You survived. It's time to get some dinner now anyway, so we need to go and do that. So let's go and see what has been made. It looks like I've got a friend.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. We made shortbreads the other day, and this is the last one. Don't mind me then. All done. I'm back. Back to organising. What I'm doing is I'm putting drama and maths in front of me here, and then any exam papers are going on the floor. I don't think I need to keep all of these exam papers though. Maybe I should. I'll keep it. That's not got any answers to it, so there's no point having that. Let's have a look what's going on in here. Plastic wallet. Why did I shout plastic wallet? This is a whole paper, this. Wow. But we'll keep it. That's an A-level paper. So I think what I need to do is I need to put them all together, and then because I did maths and further maths, I need to separate them. And I think I've got some dividers in a drawer, so that would be useful. Okay, that's an exam paper. That's an exam paper. That's an exam paper. Has this got the answers with it? Oh yes, it has. I'll keep it. Oh my god, there are tons of exam papers here. We'll keep all of those. Have we done this one? We have, and it's lost a page. Great. I don't want it if it's lost a page, and it's not marked either. Do I need it? Have I ever used it since? Not really. I'm just seeing the questions that are in it. I don't ever remember doing this. I'll keep it. If anyone from drama's watching, remember this? Wow. If anybody doesn't know what this is, we had to do a devised piece in drama and we had to come up with a script. And this is the script that we made. Can't throw that away, we'll put that in drama. Moving on. What are all those all over it? We don't want that. Get rid of that. What is this? Education pack. Don't need that. I don't need any of that. That's a mock exam. That can go on there. We don't need that. That's another exam paper. That's a further maths exam paper. We'll just put them down there. If you could see how many exam papers I've got going on down there, it's crazy. We don't need that. Oh, formula book. We need that. We'll put that there. Do I need that? I'll keep that. I need to blow my nose. Need to get a tissue. I didn't have to go far. I'm back. This is part of a script, which I don't need anymore. And I don't need that. And I don't need that booklet, there's nothing in it. I don't need that. And I think this is example questions. Oh no, that's just extracts. I don't need that. I don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Oh, maths. That was weird. Okay, and then that's a maths paper that has been marked. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the state of what's happening currently on the floor. So this is what we've got going on. Here we have math stuff that isn't exam papers. So I've got a formula book full of formulas, which somehow got wet in my bag. And here is exercises that I've done in a book. Then here we have drama work that isn't... Oh wait, no, I think I have put exam papers in here. Yeah, but not my exam papers. Those are all maths papers that are either official, like mocks that we've done in class, or just random papers that I've done as revision. Here is a bin. Here is a bin. Oh, you can't see. Here's a bin that is full of everything that I've just chucked away. On the floor there, I'm not sure what's going on there, so we need to have a look at that. I think that's my dad's stuff. We have this creepy doll that my sister uses to revise her midwifery stuff. And then there's just a random Xbox for some reason and a piece of, what's it called? A pad of paper. That's the word. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to balance you there, and now I'm going to double check. This is all the drama stuff that I really need all of this. Not that I need it, I just think it might be useful. Okay, what I'll do is I'll put all of that in a plastic wallet, because I do have here a folder with nothing in. That might be quite useful to put some stuff in. So we'll put all of that together, because this is all the drama stuff that I'm keeping. And on the shelf behind me, this is my drama stuff. So actually, maybe it could go in here. What's that? To-do list. We don't need that. Where could this... Oh, this doesn't have to go in here. Never mind, this doesn't have to go in here. All of this can go in this folder. So I have little tabs on the folders here, and they've sectioned everything off, basically. And anything to do with live theatre can go here. So that can go in the first section. That is Antigone. No, that's not Antigone. That's Antigone. That can go in there. What the heck's going on? There used to be a little summary sheet where everything is. What's number 6? Number 6 is assessments. So that can go at the back, and we do here have an assessment. Is this useful to anybody? Is anybody actually still watching at this point? Probably not, but it's nice to organise with me, isn't it? That's another assessment. Where's Year 2 stuff? Year 2 Theatre Studies. It can go in there. I need a hole punch. Let's see if we've got a hole punch. There should be... I can't do this with one hand. There should be a hole punch in here somewhere. Got it. Does it fit in here though? That's the question. Oh, it does. Perfect. It's hole punched. So that can go away in there. This is productive. I feel so productive. I need to put some glasses on. Okay. We'll take those off. That was strange. Right. That's all drama stuff put away in there. That's got a hole punched in it, so that can stay. And it's AQA. I don't know why I did that one. And that's got a hole punch as well, so that one can stay. Perfect. Right, that's nice and organised. And on this, I'm going to take this out. How do I get this out? I need to take this out. Not going to work. I want to get it out. Maybe we... Oh, sugar. At least it will come out now. This is going to stress people out because it's not done neatly at all. I ran out of room, so I had to go on the bottom, but that's fine. A-level maths papers. And which way does it go? That way or that way? That way. Perfect. A-level maths papers. So we can see, look at it smudged. We can see that it's got A-level maths papers in now. So that can sit with the orange one. There. Another big folder. And this is the Applied Maths Year 2. That can just sit there. We've now not got anything up the side there that's just random bits of paper. Further pure one, I'll just sit that in here. So now we know where that is. And then that, where can this go? I'll put that down the side there with the textbooks, because whenever I get a textbook out, I can get the formula book out as well. Hey, complete. Now I need to sort my desk out. This is the aftermath of sorting everything out. Do you know when everything gets a bit messier before it gets better? The bin needs emptying and sorting and recycling, whatever. This is my dad's stuff. That can go downstairs. That needs hiding. Everyone's going to think this is some really weird official document, but you just can't see what's on it. We've got some random Xbox headphones down here. They can go in there. And then we need to sort this. So let's do that. Of course, we can't forget to put the doll back on the shelf. So strange. Right, can you see what's going on now? Okay, we just need to tidy this up a little bit. Maybe we organise these drawers. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to need an Asda bag or some sort of plastic bag. So let me go and get one of those. I return with an Asda bag. So let's get organising. Anybody else just have random Apple like plugs but with no charger? And isn't it just so annoying? Everyone fights over the chargers in our house. This is a phone stand, I don't think. This is a keep. This is a don't need. Here we have some whiteboard pens. Lots and lots of whiteboard pens for the whiteboard and a random cable tie, so we can get rid of that. So yes, lots of those in there. And then in here, we've got a nice organised drawer of sort of random stuff in there. Timetable, stuff like that. And then some sticky pads, Parker pens and a cross pen, some staples, some pencils, bits and bobs in there, Pritt stick and a stapler. That's nice and organised. There we have some calculators, some pencils, some coloured pens and notepad. In there we've just got some random bits of paper. Well, they're actually paddles for Strictly, but ignore that. Some dividers. And then in here we have a random electrical drawer for the camera. There's a desk, sort of overhead camera thing, a remote, a thing that stops your P's and your B's sounding bad on your mic, and then a thing to put your cup on, and there's a wireless mouse at the back there. And then in the bottom, we have some paper. A4 paper and an ink cartridge for the printer. Now I need to put those on the shelf. That can go in the bin and we're all good. So these can go on the shelf. This from when I used to be called Harry Hippo on YouTube. And this my friend Beth sent me. Or she gave it me, I think. But it can go there. And Harry Hippo can go there. That's where I've put them. We have this from when I went to watch Britain's Got Talent, a random teacher mug, a shark's tooth, which is quite cool, and then that from Beth and Harry Hippo. And a money box that doesn't work. You used to put money in, it used to bark, but it broke. So there we go. Still isn't looking great. We need to sort the bin out. I'm just going to put the bin back where it goes. This is a Britain's Got Talent umbrella, which is quite cool. That needs to go downstairs. That needs to go in the loft. Now we need to sort out the desk. Damn it. It's all wet now. My hand is tissue paper. Cool. Just like that, it's all complete. Desk, nice and tidy. Drawers are nice and organised. We just have to store the light here, that's fine, and my tripod down there. There we have everything nicely sorted. My sister's stuff, the creepy doll still there. Here are my folders. Now, we have lots of folders and they don't look organised, but you saw me organising them. We've got no loose pieces of paper anymore. Nice textbooks, little ornaments, Lucy's midwifery stuff. On the top here, some more ornaments. All nice and tidy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a very big thumbs up and consider subscribing because you'll get a notification or something every time I upload a video. So please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very, very soon with another video. Bye!